people going to want to just work with you automatically. They're just going to be like, yo, I want to be a part of the 300 of Freedom movement. I want to join your team. I want to build with you. I want to be a part of your business. I want to sell products with you. You know what I'm saying? They're going to just want to, because you're cool like that. And like I said, as long as you're giving value in everything that you do, you're being a valuable person, you're being yourself, then you have that conviction where people are going to gravitate towards you and they're going to want to be a part of what you got going on. But you need the lifeblood to your business. What's the lifeblood? We're going to go back to it. The lead. You need the lead. Without the lead, you have no potential customer. You have no potential customer to work with. So that's why you need the lead. You need the information. Facebook ain't going to allow you to just create an account without you giving them information. Right? So if Facebook is doing it, if Snapchat is doing it, if Twitter is doing it, why not us? Why not us? Why we won't do it to do what we got to do and get to our goals? You know what I'm saying? You got to do the same thing too, because you're a brand. You're a $1 million brand, right? You view yourself as a $1 million or $1 billion brand. You have what it takes to do that. So that confidence and that belief that you have in yourself, you want that now to translate in your work. You let that translate in your work when you're giving value, when you're sharing your information, when you're teaching, when you're doing a presentation, when you're telling somebody about a product, when you're showing somebody about a product, whatever it is you're doing, you always want to give that quality, valuable work, and then you want to be consistent in giving that quality work. I apologize if I'm talking a little fast. But if you want a consistent flow, you have to be disciplined in your action taking, and you have to have a certain time a day, every day, or however you set up your schedule where you attend to your business and you cut off all distractions and you just focus on your business. You say, you know what, 4 hours a day or 8 hours a day or 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day is only about me getting the knowledge I need to get better in my business, or it's only about me doing what I need to do, X, Y, Z. You know, you just got to set up your schedule. You got to have a schedule. If you want consistent flow of leads and you want a consistent flow of sales, you got to have a schedule. Use your medulla, baby. Use your medulla.